Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris again, and today we have a 2011 Lexus RX450 hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here, the ODO and the trip button right under the left side of the steering column, and we're gonna be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Excuse me. As you can see, we are on the ODO. Make sure it's on the trip A, and go ahead and use that ODO and trip button to find trip A. Press it once, just like that. Now turn off your car. At the same time, press and hold that ODO and trip button and turn your car back on without starting. Go ahead and press it and hold, turn your car back on without starting, and you should see the blinker running just like that. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.